come in, we have a state-of-the-art facility, factory-trained technicians that'll be working on your vehicle. We do have complimentary shuttle service if you need to get a ride to work. We also have video multi-point inspections, so if you aren't waiting here in the waiting room, they can show you what your vehicle actually needs for safety or maintenance related items. You can come into and wait in our comfortable waiting area. There's snacks that are provided, TV, Wi-Fi for those who work from home or work remotely. We're in a convenient location right on Route 9 in Latham. Free car wash with every service. You can make an appointment online, you can call us, or you can stop in person. We do have express service, which means you can be in and out in under an hour for oil change and a tire rotation.